Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add song in Instagram stories with photos. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, I am on my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, that you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. Let's open the Instagram, and so here, in order to add Instagram story, you have to click on this plus sign and just click on stories, or you can add stories from here directly. Okay, just click on it, plus sign. So your camera will be open. Okay, so you can click photos, just click photos from here. Okay, just click on it, it will be click. Okay, so I just click one photo. You can click. Okay, just come back. If you want to add photos from your camera roll, you can just click on it. Your camera roll will be open and you can add photos from here. So after add photo, you have to go in this sticker icon, go to the music, search here music. You will find it music, and you will find all music from here. Okay, you can browse. Okay, so you can search from here. If you want to search some specific music, you can search from here, or you can just play music and just click on into select on your stories. So it will be select on your stories. So now you can done after your song has been placed on story. Okay, so I just mute it. So done from here. So it will be, it post your story to your Instagram account. So now you have to click in this arrow. Now you have to click on your story. Okay, just done. So story will be posted on your Instagram profile. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me, hit the like button below, comment.